Hey everyone, it's Greg.
I can't pull up. Hey everyone, it's Greg, your favorite spotted tile woodworker, and I just recently purchased and received a Carbide 3D Shapeoko 5 Pro 4x4 CNC machine. Let me preface by saying I have absolutely zero experience with CNC machines. I've seen them work, I've been around them working, but I have never programmed, assembled, used one in any capacity before. And I have to say, I am incredibly impressed by how simple and easy this was to set up. Like, you would imagine a $4,000 to $5,000 machine with all these moving parts and wiring and programming and all that would be significantly and prohibitively complicated to set up. But honest to God, I have put together IKEA furniture that is harder to assemble than it was this machine. I had taken advantage of their Black Friday sale, so I got a couple goodies along with the machine. I got a free router, free bits, and a few extra hold down pieces. I also purchased the VFD spindle upgrade, which there's a lot of mixed reviews on that. So far, I like it. But the Carbide 3D, before the Black Friday sale, they had said 5-day shipping. At the end of the Black Friday sale, they were up to 27 business day shipping, and it was about 27 business days from the time I placed my order till the time I received it. And the elephant in the room, which I think is really the big question, is Greg, why did you need to get a CNC machine? And I guess the answer is no, I didn't really need to get a CNC machine. As you can probably guess, this isn't my primary workshop. This is actually the garage, our garage, which is where I started working. And I've cleaned it out, sold a lot of the equipment that I had in this shop as opposed to the workshop that I work out of. And I had space to set up a CNC. The reason I wanted a CNC machine is to be able to work on various projects while at home and have the machine working while I am home with the kids. Oh, wait a second. That's not supposed to happen.
Well, I feel like an idiot. I was having trouble connecting everything. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. All it was is I did not realize, and it's obvious because you have circle arrows on there. In hindsight, I did not twist it to disengage the emergency stop. Because when it comes with the emergency stop engaged. So it's on, and we are going to connect to machine.
After assembling the CNC, hooking up all the wiring, and figuring out and troubleshooting the little issues I was having, I created a quick program to flatten the table that the CNC, the spoil board table that the CNC will be working out of. So I just took about a 1/16 of an inch off of all of the MDF slats to make sure that the table was flat in reference to the Z-axis arm piece. At this point in time, I've had the machine up and running for almost 2 weeks, and I have to say I am extremely impressed by how easy it, along with the Carbide Create software that Carbide 3D offers for free, how quickly I've been able to get it up and running and cutting out projects. I have made some valet trays, some signs. I cut out one piece, MDF doors, which I think is really, looking at the larger cabinet shops with the large 4x8 CNCs, that's really a direction in the future I'd like to go. But for now, figuring out small custom projects, figuring out how I can use it as a part of the workflow, because it is a tool. Do I consider it woodworking? Yeah, I do. It is just another tool that you have to learn how to use as a part of your process. Is it different? Yeah. Is it new? Yes. That doesn't mean it's bad. And I'm not going to lie about it. No, it's not super quick. Yeah, you can definitely do a lot of the things that this thing does. You can probably do a lot of them quicker, but maybe not as precise. And again, it's the fact that it can be doing this while I'm also working on something else, while I'm also cleaning the shop, while I am also watching my kids and watching this on a baby monitor. It's also just having it working when I cannot. That goes a long way, and I think that's really where a CNC machine has a lot of value for small businesses or one-person enterprises. And all of that to say, is for this absolute CNC beginner, is that Carbide 3D offers an excellent system to get you up and running between their products, the instructions, assembly, the software options that they offer, their technical support. It's I've never been able to pick something up and do it this quickly. This has been an incredible experience for me. And let me know in the comments below, are CNCs, do they belong with woodworking? Does the CNC count as woodworking? If so, why? If not, why not? I'm Greg with Spotted Tongue Woodworking, and stay tuned for more.